In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to switch your keyboard language on your MacBook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar, and then you want to go down and select System Settings. There should be a keyboard entry over on the left side. If you scroll down, select Keyboard, select the Edit button next to Import Sources, and then you can select the little plus icon in the bottom left corner of this window to add additional languages for keyboard settings. And then select Add to Added, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.